Hello everyone, Crafer here, and in this video, I will be telling you how you can use the paragraph tag. So, what exactly is a paragraph tag? So, paragraph tags lets you write paragraph on a website. So, the tag has the required font size which is required to write the paragraph. So, let's begin. So, first, we need to create a new folder. My spelling is wrong, or very wrong. I don't care. So now we need to give index.html. So we need to just create the file. So begin the time lapse. Yes, so now we just need to use the paragraph tag. So to use the paragraph tag, we write less than symbol p, close it. So now we can write a word. So we write it and then we need to live test it. So to live test it, you can watch our first video, which is linked down in the description box below. So go live. So it came here, hello world. Now we were trying to design a website kind of thing, so like we can kind of use it. So I'm gonna show that. Begin the time lapse once again. Yeah, so I did some basic stuff of website. I created a H tag and that stuff. So now we can just give them all a ID. ID is equal to double quotes H. ID is equal to double quotes H1 and that is equal to double quotes P. So now we can just create a CSS file .css. Now we can link it over here in the head. Link href is equal to double quotes child.css, rel is equal to double quotes styl and then just close it. So now we can take hashtag h brackets, then text dash align center. Same thing for the h1 and the same thing for the p. Make sure the IDs are same or it won't work. So now we can just start a thing. So paragraph. So it came like this. So for that we need to fix this thing over here. We do this outside a paragraph text, so it's giving error. So we can control copy and then write it inside the tag. So it will come like this. Then if we reload this, it came like this. Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about paragraph tag. So paragraph tag is used to write paragraphs in a website. This is one of the example of a paragraph tag. So like this we can use paragraph tag. So this is the our h1, this is our h5, this is our paragraph tag. So this was for this video. If you liked it, make sure to like the video. If you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe and comment below if you have any doubts or showing any error. Share so more people can learn coding and see ya.